I guess we'll make a quick little fun video. I got this and another mower for free, and wasn't gonna make a video. And self-propelled Kohler. I have no idea. I mean, I'm a two-stroke guy. So, got this for free because a coworker bought a house and turned over, missing its cover here, and you can see it was ran like that. And I put a little prime shot down, it fired right up. Awesome. And as I'm mowing, it's killing every mosquito in the neighborhood. The oil is that far above the full. Somebody has way overfilled it. And we'll see if we can fire it up back here for you guys to see. Nice overhead valve unit. Self-propelled. Great too, nice and quiet. Ugh, I don't know, hold on. Put you guys down here. Let's go get the primer shot. I think there's just so much oil in it, it's having a hard time doing anything. Forgot to unscrew the top. It's leaking. I've got one hand. Show you guys what I mean. Well, it stopped smoking, so I'll still get that oil level dropped on it. Let's go get that other one. Alright, and there's the other one. Got the cover off. It's well, fuel. Doesn't have any in the tank, or if there is, it's not any good. So it's just gonna run off the prime here. Let's see how well she starts, eh? It's an electric start model, but battery's dead. So self-propelled works. All right. I wonder what's the oil level at. Oh. Use a good old grass and a pant leg. Huh. Where it should be. All right. Wonder if that battery's any good, if it just needs a changing. So, wonder if a little gas in her and she'll run, because it's got something at the bottom, but I don't think it's enough to support life. So let's go get some gas in her real quick. All right, fuel in the tank. This primer line is beyond shot. Somebody's bent the tab, but I don't think it's working, or it ain't hooked up at the front or something. It's, I don't know. Let's see if the gas in the tank works. If not, then her carb's gonna need cleaned. Kind of tried. So, all right, carb cleaning on that one. And that one, which I took the same air filter assembly. Quite curious if it'll run better, but I need to get that cleaned. So, all right. So, I don't know if I need to do any detailed video on these cleaning and everything, but a couple free finds. So, thanks for watching. Hey, we're running off the tank fuel. Just kept hitting it with the primer bottle. Let's go for a ride, shall we? Watch your eyes. Burn the oil out of the cylinder. the battery's just flat. Yeah, battery's no good. Or it needs to be put on a trickle charge for a while or something. That'd be nice if that worked though. Had a 12-volt battery to hook up to, but humidity and the heat, I don't even know what I'm doing outside at this point. Gonna have a heat index really high here soon. I presume the air filter needing to be on to help it draw in a little extra fuel there. So, all right, 2 runners. All right, well, thanks for watching.